I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility and collecting essentials: launcher version, OS build, and a recent backup. Once done, enable developer or advanced mode so hidden settings appear. This unlocks layout controls and plugin support. Make sure to back up current configurations. This prevents data loss and speeds recovery. Then open the launcher settings, choose Profile Management, and create a temporary profile. You're now positioned to modify core templates without breaking your main setup. Move to Configuration Edits next. Now you edit the core templates to place blank spaces and control layout density. You'll modify grid size, padding, and blank slot definitions so icons align predictably. This shapes user flow and reduces accidental launches. Next, insert placeholders or widgets where needed, and map gestures or keyboard shortcuts for quick access. Once configured, validate performance metrics, memory use, launch latency, and responsiveness, because efficient templates prevent lag. If values spike, scale back animations or slot count to restore smooth operation. Finish by applying changes and performing a full restart of the launcher. This commits template updates and clears transient state. You should test common workflows, open apps, switch pages, and trigger gestures to confirm stability. If icons misalign or blank slots vanish, compare the temporary profile to your backup, then restore selectively. Make sure to re-enable any plugins one at a time to isolate conflicts. If problems persist, reset the launcher cache or toggle advanced mode off and on. This single troubleshooting step often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.